As we head into the final week of the year, we're going to take a look at what's happened in 2023 and a few themes that could be popular in 2024. As you recall, in 2022, the markets were very negative, with the S&P 500 down around 18% and the aggregate bond market down around 14%. We've seen a big rebound in 2023 of the markets, with the S&P up over 20% year to date, the Dow Jones Industrial Average up over 12% year to date, and the NASDAQ up over 50%, being led by the Magnificent Seven. Magnificent Seven is a fairly new term that's really taken off in 2023. It is the 7 stocks that are leading the market and making up a very large percentage of both the NASDAQ and the S&P. The Magnificent Seven is made up of Apple, Alphabet, which is also Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, which is also Facebook, Tesla, and Nvidia. Some of the things that are very exciting here at Paragon: we've celebrated our 25th anniversary during 2023, culminated with a great event for our clients and a YouTube presentation talking about the markets. We've also expanded our YouTube channel, putting out over 15 new videos this year, and we encourage you to please go out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to putting out more content in 2024. One of the other major themes during 2023 was interest rates. Interest rates continue to rise as the Fed continued to fight inflation, with 10-year Treasury peaking at near 5%. The Federal Reserve has also recently indicated that they could cut rates as many as 3 times in 2024, which has sent the 10-year Treasury down on yield to almost 3.9% as the market anticipates those rate cuts and tries to get out ahead of them. When the yields go down, bond prices go higher, creating better total returns on the fixed income market, and making that a theme that could go into 2024 as more people go back into the traditional bond markets. Besides the traditional bond market, which people are getting excited about for the first time in years, we are focusing on private markets, looking at both private credit, structured products, and private equity. Private credit is a way to invest in the private side of the credit by giving up a little bit of liquidity to gain access to what should be higher yields. Second major theme is structured products. Paragon has a very big portfolio of structured products. We are currently producing 3 new videos on structured products in a 3-part series. Look forward to getting those published and getting your comments on those as well. The third theme would be private equity, and private equity has traditionally been offered to what we call qualified purchasers. Qualified purchasers are defined as those that have over $5 million net worth, not including their current residence, and offer what are typically higher equity returns in exchange for illiquidity. Private equity has grown a lot as we have seen the traditional stock market shrink due to mergers and acquisitions that really took off in the last several years with low interest rates, as companies were able to borrow money to grow by buying their competition. That has given rise to the private equity side, which are major investors in a lot of those mergers and growth of the private sector. As with any investment, whether it's private credit, structured products, private equity, these should all be reviewed and looked at as part of a total portfolio to help you reach your goals in whatever risk-adjusted manner you are looking for. We would be happy to sit down with you at any point, review your portfolio, and see if any of these strategies would be a good fit for you and your family in helping you reach your goals in 2024. Once again, please reach out to any of us here at Paragon, and we wish you a happy holidays and a very happy new year.